All right, you guys, so we just showed up at the riverside of all places, and look at this thing. This thing is unbelievable. Wow. Look at this. All right, you guys, so we're here with Christian. And Christian, what are you doing right now?
I'm now connecting the back with the engine.
Okay.
Because I don't want to have it all the time running, you know, because then the connection will be all the time.
Oh, got
and
it.
now we're connecting the propeller with the thing, so when we get into water, we can ride away.
All right, you guys, just before we actually hit the water, I thought I would show you what else is going to hit the water. So check this out. Everyone's getting ready to go in. We're just going to do a short trip today. Incredible. All right, you guys, moment of truth. Here we go, getting in. Woo-hoo.
Hast du drin? Dirk? Der gerade schon. Steffi? Ja. Ja, Tarek? Ja, wir sind gerade in der Weser. Nee, im Moment ist alles gut. Okay, jetzt läuft es. Ich hab jetzt gerade wieder. Ja, tschüss.
Oh, no gear. Okay. Oh, wow. All right. So once it connects, it just connects.
Yes.
Okay.
That's why we don't leave the connection always, because always the back.
Wow, yeah. That makes sense. Wow, look how low the crank is.
The ride the whole time.
Right. Christian, how many of these exist?
They were in World War II. They built about 15,000, and there's around 1,000, I believe, that still exist because it was always something special. I think. And nowadays, a guy reproduces some of the body panels again, complete side panels, so we can repair more cars, which were in the old days not repairable.
Wow. Now, were they all? What years were they? Did they?
They started producing Schwimmwagons 1941
Okay.
and built until 1945, and they built 45 just together what they had. So.
Okay. All right. And what's the oldest one in existence right now?
What was the Dixon?
Someone
We
have
have, yes, I have it with my father in our collection.
Awesome.
It is a prototype
Of
from
course you do.
1941.
Oh my gosh. That is awesome.
But it's a little bit different because we have two types of Volkswagen. The one is 128 named, and this one here, the normal one, is made 166. And 128 basically is a four-wheel drive chassis on a Beetle where they put a body around. That's why it is longer. And then they found out in the water it's good because it's not as big, but in the field it's bad because the body twists. So they convert then this one here.
Wow. Okay. Look at that. We got neighbors.
The steering.
Ah.
It steers with the wheels.
So Christian, where are we going right now?
We're going out to the town of Eden because there's a ferry crossing here
Okay.
on the river. And that's where we're going to slip out. There you can see the sign up there. What is that, ferry?
Yep.
And there in the back and forward to us, you can see the red roof underneath.
Yep.
So that's the town. That's what comes.
Incredible.
Thank you very much.